Do you think your stance is a little harsh? And especially what I mean by that is applying it in the modern day world. According to you, you shouldn't take knowledge from an innovator. You shouldn't even sit with an innovator. Some of my family members, potentially, as an example, مثلا, may be classified according to you as an innovator. I can't sit with them.
وَصَاحِبُهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا. Like befriend them in the worldly issues that you need to deal with them. They have rights of a relative with you. qarābah, لا شك. Your family members, they have rights on you, even if they're the worst of the worst. They have rights on you in the sense that qarābah that doesn't go. But they lose the allegiance and the religious connection with you anymore. The minute you see a person from Africa, the other side of the world, from where you're from, who's holding on to the sunnah, is more closer to you than your misguided family member, for instance. Your brother who's misguided. That doesn't mean that you cut the ties of kinship. See, we can't dismiss one evidence for the other.
Okay, you have to.
Allah says, فَهَلْ عَسَيْتُمْ إِن تَوَلَّيْتُمْ أَن تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَتُقَطِّعُوا أَرْحَامَكُمْ. You can't cut the ties of kinship with your family. I mean, the disbeliever that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says, وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ عَلَىٰ أَن تُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا. Befriend them in good. Even if they're telling you to go against Allah's religion, befriend them in good. In other words, whatever good that's there, befriend them. Whenever it isn't anything to befriend them with, just leave them. Family members.
Yeah.
So that's my answer. But it doesn't dismiss the concept of, and the consensus that I brought to you, that the Salaf brought, to stay away from the innovators. So if your brother, for example, is preaching innovation to you, you don't say, he's my brother, I'm going to sit with him, I have to sit with him. No, you walk away from him. You don't sit with him. But tomorrow you go to him, and you greet him, and you ask him how his children are doing, and you leave him again.